Hello, my name is Steve, and I am coming from the Teaching Assistant Project at Rutgers University, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to incorporate more active learning and interactive moments into your teaching. One of my favorite ways to do this is actually to pose a clear, thought-provoking question to the class, have them talk about it with their peers or just one other person, so small groups or in pairs, and then to elicit those comments from those pairs or groups to come to a kind of collective understanding of the issue. So for instance, I could put some kind of slide or diagram onto a projector screen or the chalkboard and say, so just take a few minutes and talk to your peers about what strikes you from this image or diagram, okay? So then everybody turns to their neighbors, talks to them for a little bit, they get some discussion going, and then we go from there. At the end I say, okay, so what did you guys talk about? All right, so that's the basic idea. Now, the rationale behind it, there's basically two benefits that I see from this technique. First, when you come together as a class to talk about what they've already discussed, they're, in a sense, already primed to just kind of recycle their thoughts. So it's going to be a lot less anxiety-inducing. They're going to be less scared about talking in front of a large group because they've already talked that exact thing with their peers. It's not a new task at that point. So you're already just asking them to repeat what they've already been talking about. The second clear benefit of this is that they're going to speak on behalf of the group. So it's not just them representing their own thinking or their own perspective. Now they're kind of thinking about how to synthesize all the ideas that they have come up with in the group, and they're also taking ownership for the group as a whole, again, and making it less scary for the students to talk in front of a whole group. So, and then an added benefit of this whole thing is that you have students in your class working together, collaborating on certain issues, and maybe getting to know some new friends in the class. So that is your quick teaching tip, and look out for more videos soon.